Okay, so we just scanned into the park. These are my friends. Hello. These are the ones that are leaving. Stephanie's also here. She's just walking faster. So we're trying to run and meet Mickey really fast before it closes. It's like 9:20 something, and the theater closes at 9:30. So we're speedy running. Okay, we just went and met Mickey. We put in food orders, but we're gonna go ride Pirates. This is my friend Hannah. She's also leaving.
I am.
It's so rude, all of them are leaving. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ride Pirates and get food, and the plan is we're gonna watch Enchantment and eat our food in the like hub grass area. But yeah.
In the work Pico.
Yes, in the Pico.
Hi everyone!
He's still working, but also my friend.
Guys, I'm such a fan of Mercedes. She is our super celebrity here at the main street.
Yep. Hey.
Hi.
Okay, we're splitting up to get food. We're going to Cosmic Rays, and they're going to Sleepy Hollow, and then we're meeting up at the grass. We're running because my order is now ready. I didn't even hit that I'm here, just started preparing it, I guess. But it's ready, and so now we have to hurry because I think the park is technically closed, so. Food has been secured.
I didn't know there were steps.
Oh god, that could have been really bad. Food secured. We're running over to the hub grass. So what do you guys think? Yeah. Hey, so I've tried filming this like outro or like, I don't know, ending to this video a couple times that night and then the next morning as well, and I like don't really know what to say. I know this is a really short like little vlog we just filmed like after we get off of work, and we didn't really do much because the park was basically closed, but it was a lot of fun to be able to hang out with my friends before they left and get one like final goodbye in, even though I saw pretty much all of them again, because they went to the parks after the next day when I was working. And yeah, I don't know, it was so much fun to be able to have that little last memory of us going to watch Enchantment and watching the fireworks together, some of them for the first time. And I don't know, it was just, I keep saying it was fun, but several of my friends are leaving. Sorry, my voice sounds weird, that my allergies have been so bad. But several of my friends are, well, I guess they've left by now, but it's really hard to say goodbye to the friends that you've made on your DCP. And like, yeah, I know you can still stay in contact and still talk to them and everything, and like I know some of them are planning to come back and visit, but I think that's the hardest part of the DCP. Not like the working long hours or any of that stuff. I think it's saying goodbye to all the friends you made. Like, you make so many good memories with them, and then they all have to go back home. A lot of them are going back to like go to school and stuff like that. If you're one of those friends that are leaving or have already left, I just want to say thank you for letting me be a part of your DCP and for all the fun memories we have. I had so much fun working with you or hanging out with you, going to the parks, or even just talking. I think the people that you meet on your DCP is what makes it so special, and all the like fun memories that you make. So thank you guys for letting me be a part of it. Please stay in contact. Yeah, if you're not one of those people, subscribe to my video, or subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @MercedesNewGrew. Yeah, and I guess that's it. It's not a very long video or a very interesting one, but it was a lot of fun to make, and I'm really glad that I captured our last hangout before they left. But like I said, make sure to subscribe or follow me on like Instagram, TikTok, etc. To follow my DCP journey. I am almost done with it. Shocking, I know. But it's been so fun. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!